What I love about Woodlake is that the people here are pretty close-knit. They're always willing to help their own and celebrate their own, and there's a big sense of community and camaraderie. The Amazon Feature Engineer and BootUp sponsorship has been a big change for our school. We didn't really have a specific computer science program for our elementary students. Of course, teachers were implementing technology in the classroom and kind of going over computer science and digital literacy concepts, especially in the last couple of years. And I think for my students, it exposes them to an opportunity or a pathway that they might not have been considering before. It might not be something that was really on their radar. So I'm excited to see in the future if any of them pursue it. And so coding at an elementary level, especially with girls, fosters a love for computer science and gives them an opportunity to build computer science skills, expose them to that possible career pathway, open up ideas for options where they could use computer science or coding skills in the tech industry. And I would love to see young girls from Woodlake go on to do something with that. Our community is very great about celebrating the people that have left the community and gone out to do big things with what they've learned. And so I would love to see that from some of my students. And really a large majority of my students could be considered underrepresented in the area of technology and computer science. And I think that giving students more opportunities to create projects that are based on their interests and allowing them to be creative and kind of do things their own way, it helps them to build interest in coding, how to use technology as a tool for their education, for their work, but they also are learning computational thinking, they're gaining digital literacy, and even if computer science is not something that they want to go into, it still provides them opportunities for development in problem solving, persistence, not giving up when they get frustrated, and it gives them an opportunity to be creative, which I think is really cool. All their projects are super unique. So even if they don't go into that in the future, they're gaining skills that they will use no matter what they do.